Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install WordPress on your Windows 11. So open any browser and type here WordPress. So open any browser and type here WordPress app, then press enter. So here guys you will see this link apps.wordpress.com. It's for mobile and it's for desktop. So you can use WordPress application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. So make sure you have to select this link apps.wordpress.com and click here. Now you can download and install on Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. So just click here. Now wait for a few seconds till this downloading process will be complete. Now guys, once you complete this WordPress downloading, click on this setup file, and here you can select any option, anyone who use this computer. So it's for permission for all users for this PC, or just select only for me, and then click on install. So this way guys you can download and install WordPress on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Once this installing process will be complete, just you have to log into your WordPress account with your account ID and password. So thanks watching this video, and share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. And guys, if you're facing any problem or error, so just you have to comment, I will reply it.